Hi, I'm Nirali and welcome to our channel Food Diaries by Jeannie. Today we'll be preparing two-way focaccia bread from whole wheat flour. Focaccia is a slightly dense bread. Even with the wheat flour, you can see this bread has risen well and has air pockets. Plus, it's healthier. Please do subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to create more content. The ingredients for the bread are wheat flour, dry yeast, olive oil, sliced olives, blanched basil leaves, tomato slices, peppers, powdered sugar and salt. We'll start with activation of dry yeast. I've taken lukewarm water and will add powdered sugar and then the dry yeast. You can see I'm using a fork. It helps better mixing and lesser clump formation. We'll rest this and let the activation happen for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll add salt to the wheat flour and mix a bit before the yeast addition. If yeast is added directly on the salt, it hampers the fermentation process. The yeast is activated and we are adding it to the wheat flour for the dough preparation. While preparing the dough, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The wheat flour dough needs to be kneaded properly. It is stickier than all-purpose or refined flour. Make sure to knead this dough well for about 10 to 15 minutes. The dough is kneaded and we'll grease the sides of the bowl and dough with some olive oil. Let's keep this for the first proofing till the dough doubles. This will take about 1.5 to 2 hours. The dough has risen well. Now I am taking a greased baking tray and placing the dough onto it. Unlike the bread loaves, we do not degas this dough completely. I've greased my fingers and gently patting the dough in the tray. You can use some extra olive oil here. I'm going to cut the dough into halves to make the two-way focaccia for the two different toppings. Let us now do the classical focaccia dough holes. We'll grease the top with olive oil before placing the toppings. The first toppings are peppers and olives. The colored peppers add to the attractiveness of the focaccia, and the olives will add to the taste. The second toppings are tomato slices and basil leaves. You can also use cherry tomatoes. This topping has a tangy and herby flavor. Our toppings are ready. Let us do the second proofing for about 40 to 50 minutes. The dough has risen well. We'll now bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for about 18 minutes. Our two-way focaccias are ready, made from whole wheat flour. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you liked it. Remember to cook healthy, eat healthy and stay happy. Stay tuned for more.